Moving forward, here could the camp of Dolores Frimpong Manso, media mogul, Dolores Frimpong Manso. I am Bebrinaya friend or Delay. Now, Delay woke up and slept and woke up and realized that she has been featured in a speech by the first gentleman of the land. Yes, the president, His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo Addo. And his speech be na oma ewa ebri girls what the anniversary. So Delay took to Instagram to write whilst posting the video. She captioned it, "Mr. President, I'm here please," and then that was what she wrote. Now, media personality Dolores Frimpong Manso, popularly known as Delay, has been captured in President Akufo Addo's speech during a ceremony at the Ebri Girls Senior High School. Delay's name popped up when the president was mentioning the names of prominent personalities the school has birthed since its existence. And this is what the president said. TV personality Dolores Frimpong Manso, aka Delay, and there were shouts and claps and lots of noise in the auditorium. So let's go, just in case you haven't seen the video. Yanko na yanko share video.
TV personality Dolores Frimpong Manso, aka Delay. TV personality Dolores Frimpong Manso, aka Delay.
Yeah, so that was Mr. President speaking, and Dolores Frimpong Manso, aka Delay. Yeah. So yeah, if you didn't know, Delay is an old student of Ebri Girls. Omugobe Ponoso. The Delay na kasa so. Oya konwa baya. Konwa baya antino. Asama or na.